When we make a variable, first we declare it writing its name, then we write equal sign and assign value, let's say 2. The equal sign is called assignment operator, which assigns a value to the variable. We have used this operator already a lot in previous videos, and this is the simple form of assignment operator. These are the advanced versions of assignment operator, which perform a calculation first and then assign the result value to the variables.
So let's understand these assignment operators now. I have commented out this line using a number sign. Means this line will not be executed. So our program starts right here. Let's say here we have a holding 10 and we want to increment the value of a by 2. The common way of achieving that is to write a equal sign a plus 2. So this way the value of a, which is 10, is incremented by 2. So a here will become 12. However, we can achieve the same thing by using this operator. Write plus equal sign and 2. As simple as that. Now let's print a and you should see 12. Similarly, if we want to decrement by 2, the common way will be to write a minus 2 and that will give us 8. However, we can simply change this to minus equal sign and 2. Our a will be decremented by 2, giving 8. And the same way, if we replace minus with multiply, we should see 20. Using divide, we will see 5. So even if you do not use these operators, still it's better to know them to understand the code of others using these operators.